Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and if you're new here, you're welcome here. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I make Nigerian egg sauce or egg stew. So if you're a lover of egg, this one is definitely for you. Without saying too much, let's get started. To make the egg sauce, here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have here 6 eggs, Maggi, 1 big onion, sardine, Scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, chopped tomato, salt, and lastly, oil. So the next thing is to chop the onion, the red bell pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper into small pieces. For the red bell pepper, I'm first cutting them into strip shape, then I'm cutting them into small square shape. There is actually no perfect shape for cutting this. The most important thing to do is just to cut them into small pieces. To a heated pot, I'm adding some olive oil. You can use whichever oil you prefer, and I'm just going to leave it in to get heated. Now that the oil is well heated, I'm going to be adding all the chopped onions into the oil, and I'm going to saute the onions till it gets translucent. Next, I'm adding all the chopped peppers, both the Scotch bonnet pepper and the red bell pepper, and I'm just going to leave it in to get fried as well. Next up, I'm adding the chopped tomatoes, stirring to combine, and I'm seasoning with 1 Knorr cube and salt to taste. Giving it another stir to combine, and I'm going to leave it to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm adding in the sardine. This is pretty optional, but I can assure you this will give your egg sauce a really delicious taste. And I'm going to leave it to simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes or till when it's perfectly dry. At this stage, you can see the tomato sauce is perfectly fried. As you can see, the oil bubbling right on top of it. It's time to add the eggs, and I'm just going to spread it around evenly, and I'm going to allow it to set before I start scrambling away. Just taking it a step further, I'm going to cover up the pot and I'm going to allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes. This will just help to extract out the oil. Here you have it guys, the egg sauce is ready. You can serve this with bread, with yam, with potato, with spag, or whichever side you want. Today I'm having mine with some toasted bread, and I can assure you the taste is super delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe. Till next time.